As part of our R&D organization, partnerships with universities and academics around the world has been a core part of that for a long time. And obviously, we're very focused on those universities that are close to us here in St. Louis. So the University of Missouri in Columbia, key partner of ours. Tom and I were out there visiting with David Braun, and we were just talking about how we could work together and things that we could do. And the topic of training came up. And David made the comment, I know how to train my people to be me. I don't know how to train them to be you, meaning industry scientists and for those types of career paths. And so that's where the idea was born. What could we do to help faculty at the university like David help their trainees get opportunities for diverse career paths?
What we really wanted to do was give each student, each postdoc, the opportunity to have their own individual mentor that they could ask the dumb questions. They could ask the things that you don't want to say in a seminar. And that seems to be really what's worked, was giving the students that time of the scientists who've been there, who've had the experience, to help them understand what's going on.
Coming from academia, I joined the company or industry with a lot of apprehension back then, because industry oftentimes perceived as dark side of science. So B4U program is really a one-on-one mentoring or coaching program that we start. Is a year-long program. So every mentee going to paired with a mentor, and so they meet on a monthly basis.
Our hope is students will go through it and they come to the end of it and either think, oh, I'm actually fascinated by an industry career, this is something I could think about, or conversely, heck no, I have no interest in that, I want to stay in academia or I want to do something else. Both of those are good outcomes for us. It's really about enabling them to make the right choice for their career.
One of the greatest benefits of B4U is that we're pulling through many different diverse disciplines across Bayer and across the universities, where it's not just, say, one discipline, say genetics, but engineering, data science, genomics, breeding. We can match up the interests of the student with the diverse interests of the scientists here at Bayer, because we have so many volunteers, and it's really driven by the mentee, where they define what their gaps are and what we need to help them with.
So the program, started in the first year in 2018 with I think 10 students from the University of Missouri paired with 10 scientists here at Bayer. The cool thing about it really is how it has scaled over the years. So now it's at over 40 universities here in the US and universities outside the US in Europe and Latin America.
The impact is huge, and mostly we measure that through one-on-one feedback we get from our mentees, who have all said that this program has really broadened their perspectives and their horizons and helped them think about their careers in a very different way. I would say that is definitely a mutually beneficial relationship. Every one of my mentees has taught me new things.
I've watched so many students go through the B4U mentoring program now, and the impact to the students is it's amazing, and I think it's undervalued. One of my students said once, and this is probably the best compliment I've ever received, but he said, "I always feel better after talking to you." Honestly, that's a win. I'll take that. If nothing else, I will absolutely take that.
B4U is more than a mentorship program. It actually highlights Bayer's commitment to foster an ecosystem of learning and curiosity to develop our next generation scientists.
There have been countless colleagues, both within Bayer and at the universities that we've worked with, who have really helped this program grow. And so we're thrilled about the opportunity we've created for our colleagues there, and amazed at how many people want to be part of this program. We are oversubscribed for mentors every single year internally. And so it's created a lot of energy, and I think I'm really excited about that.
We often underestimate the impact that we can have just by giving somebody the time, listening to them, answering questions. We have all had mentors like this in our lives, and we're passing that love forward to the next generation.